Hey Serge, what are we doing today?
Hey Doug, we are maidening a new build, one of Andy's builds for this weekend's race. We're gonna try the new Aomway Commander V2s and we'll compare them between the HD3s.
HD3s. Which of the goggles do you fly normally, right?
This is my everyday goggle.
Okay.
And we're DVRing both, so I want to see both qualities.
All right, perfect. Let's do it. This is the Floss 2 without any pod, right?
Yeah, well, this
canopy.
This has a carbon top.
Okay.
Because we're trying to shave as much weight as possible.
Okay.
It's fine.
And we're running the 2205 1722s on this. And 6S, right?
Yes, so it's the 2205 1722 6S. That build is 245 grams.
Okay.
Without that, that's right.
All right, so now Serge is gonna fly the same drone and the Floss 2 on 6S, and he's trying the new Aomways. So the nice thing about the Aomway, obviously built-in DVR, 4x3 and 16x9, just like the HD3s.
The colors are nice. The contrast is slightly stronger than Test Chart. Like you can see more black.
Okay. And this has on-screen display, so you can much easily see your channels and DVR settings.
Yeah, when you change the channels, it shows all that inside the goggles. It's pretty cool. The menu is...
Does it tell you when it's recording in the screen? Do you have a...
Yes, it's blinking on the top right.
Okay.
REC, record.
That's good.
I want to say the reception is slightly better than...
That's what I was just going to ask. Since this does have a built-in DVR, you're running the...
You mean receiver, yeah.
Yeah, you're running the Furious on your other setup. And this is built-in has built-in receiver.
Yeah, usually the Furious, when I go behind this tree right here, I get a breakup.
Okay.
This one is like really clear, 0 breakups. This is obviously not a long-range test, but we do have a lot of Wi-Fi in the area. And,
yeah. It does have a built-in voltage regulator, so you can run up to 4S. So that's as you can see, he's running just a standard, I think 1300
yeah, it's
milliamp.
that little balancer thing that goes on your battery. It's not really built in the goggle.
Right, it's built in the plug itself.
Connector,
yeah.
Whew. Safe and sound.
Perfect. Okay, so we just got done flying your HD3s and the Aomway. Which one are you going to stick with? Because there's some great advantages to the Aomway as far as...
To answer that question, I'm going to stick with the HD3.
Okay.
I'm used to them. That's what I fly every day. I like how it sits on my face.
Okay.
You know, the foam,
so the fit.
The part that goes over my nose.
Okay.
The only complaint I have about this goggle is this area here is like literally resting on my bone right here. Right. So, but
that's a preference. It's like a pair of shoes, like we were talking about.
If you want to talk about the pros, there are a lot of good points when you talk about this goggle. I really like where the SD card goes. It's on top here. Yep. The previous version was the same, and I really like that.
You don't have to have tweezers to get them out like you do.
When you're changing channels, I think it does 64 channels. It does like all the bands.
Oh wow! Okay.
And when you change the channels, you can see the band, the channel on the OSD inside the goggle, which now you can do the same with the new LaForge there, or the rapid fire that's coming out will have that option. But this one has built-in diversity receiver, and it gives you that option, which is pretty cool. It has a built-in fan. That's a nice option. I think it's great.